Welcome to Whiton Hall, a shared living experience just one block from the Ithaca Commons. Each tenant has their own fully furnished room, and there's a shared kitchen and shared bathrooms on each floor. We're here today to see apartment 107, a room on the first floor. Let's head on in. Every room in Whiton Hall comes with 5 pieces of furniture: a bookshelf, a full-size bed, a desk and desk chair, and a dresser. Each room also comes with your own mini refrigerator and microwave. This room has 2 windows facing west and north, as well as plenty of closet space. Finally, each room in Whiton Hall has an intercom, so you can buzz your friends in, or Uber Eats. Rent for Whiton Hall rooms includes all utilities: heat, water, traction or cycling fees, electricity, even the internet. Thank you for coming on a tour of Whiton 107. Call us today for availability.